the discovery of other world out there, up there, is there is new world out there, new planets, new frontiers, new adventures. We should discover the best planets suited for human beings. We should build our life and our generations and generations. We should unite. We should build good things. We should build a nice device for our family. We should transform. We should energize our energy. We should be peaceful. We should be united. We should know the best. We can build the best article for you. We can build a better, sophisticated technology for the best suitable mind. We can collaborate with science. We can engineer the best quality for human beings. We can be unique. We can be fascinating. We can be beautiful. We can empower our mind with beautiful love. We can be best people. We can love the equality of human race. We should love the definities of peace. We should know best equality. We should know what's suitable for our life. We should rebuild our life. We should rebuild the way of humanity. We should encourage one another to collaborate in peaceful way that could unite the earth in a beautiful manner, the matter of society, the matter of integrations, the matter of peace, the matter of love, the matter of unity, the unity that divides people, the unity that combines the best things in the universe, the unity that combines us with ourselves and our children and our children's children, to love, to be in peace, to be in beautiful way. We should be unique, always, all the time. Thanks.